Today I'm going to show you step by step how to run a sale on your Etsy shop and also how to set up a coupon code or a promo code on your Etsy shop. Here we are in our shop manager and we are going to go on the left hand panel down to marketing. So we're going to hit marketing, then we're going to hit sales and discounts. There's a few different options here. We can do abandoned cart offer, thank you offer, favorite item, promo code, accept offers from buyers, and run a sale. So today we're going to go run a sale and we can do percentage off or free standard shipping. I personally only sell digital downloads, so I'm just going to do percentage off. And then we can do 30%, 35, 40, 45, or custom. Now, if I try to do 15%, it says that that is too low. The lowest I can do is 20% discount. So I am going to do a 25% discount here. Then you can say where. So you can check whatever country you want. If you want just specifically your country or all of the countries, everything, I'm going to hit everywhere. Then you do the duration. One thing I don't like is that it can only be 30 days. Like you can't set a indefinite discount or definite sale. So that is a downside. So what I've done in the past is just set a reminder on my computer that every 30 days I can run it again and I can set the date. So today is January 12th and then I can go and set it for February 11th. And then terms and conditions apply. You can type out terms and conditions or you can just leave this blank. I usually just leave it blank. And then you're going to name the sale. So I may say 25 off. And then I'm going to hit continue. And then you can do for all listings or select listings. So you can select the selections. So I can do my budget printables, my Excel templates, my cash envelopes, the different sections that you have, or you can also search for a specific listing. So I can just type in budget and then select whichever ones that I want here, but I'm going to do for all listings. And then review and confirm. And so we have 25% off from January 12th to February 11th, the whole shop. My sale name is 25 off and terms is none. So then confirm and create sale. So then here I can preview it. So here's my shop. And if I look here, I can see that my listings are 25% off. So I can see that the price is crossed out from $3 down to $2.25. And this one is $9, so it crossed up down to $6.75. So now the discount code is automatically applied for them. So that way they can see right here that the discount is applied for $6.75. Okay, now I'm going to go back to my shop manager under marketing again, and we're going to be in the sales and discounts, and I'm going to do promo code. So this is pretty similar, but a little bit different. And we can do the discount amount. We can do free standard shipping, percentage off, or fixed amount. So we could do like $5 off or $3 off or whatever it may be. But I'm going to do percentage off and I'm going to do 30%. And then here we can also set a number of items or an order total. So we may say we're going to give you 30% off if you buy 3 items. I have low ticket budget printables. So this is pretty doable for people that they're going to be buying 3 items or more. Or I can also do an order total. If you spend, I don't know, $50, then I'll give you 30% off. You could do that. But I'm just going to do the 3 items and then set the duration. I'm going to have it start today. And then what I do like about this is I can do no end date. So for a coupon, I can say no end date. This is going to run indefinitely, which is awesome. So promo code, I can do buy 3 and then review and confirm. It does need to be between 5 and 20 characters for a coupon code. So I'm going to do buy 3 to save. And then I can see here that the URL is going to be freedomindabudget.com or .etsy.com !coupon equals buy 3 to save and then review and confirm. So here's all the information here and then create coupon code and done. So now it is live and ready to go. One thing that you could do is put this coupon code in your shop announcement. So that way you could say buy 3 items and use coupon code buy 3 to save right here, and that may entice them. Or you could also put a little thing here, buy 3 or more and get 30% off your order. You could put something here as well in your shop banner to let people know, or maybe even an image in your listing photo that says, you could have the same image in each photo that says buy 3 and use coupon code whatever it is, buy 3 to save, and that will entice them to buy more as well. Also, check out the description. I have a link to this free ebook that's going to help you sell products on Etsy. It's going to explain why seasonal printables are the best on Etsy, give you all of the seasonal products that sell, and tools that are going to help you pick the best products. It is a very in-depth ebook, 23 pages, so many amazing ideas that's really going to help you step up your game with selling printables on Etsy. Even if you don't want to sell seasonal products, it's still really, really helpful in helping you to figure out how to market your products, how to find keywords, how to find tags, how to rank in search. It is so helpful and a really, really great ebook. So it'll be linked down below in the description, completely free. Now, if you want to see how to add a shop announcement to your Etsy shop, check out this video here.